na na-discover ko during my travel in the Bicol region. Specifically in Naga City kung saan na-encounter ko ang dish na kandinga or kandinga. What differentiates kandinga from your typical normal bopis is yung paggamit nila ng kangkong. So palalambutin muna natin to, yun yung pinaka mahabang part dito. We will be using pressure cooker for that. Kasi kung normal yan na kalan, I think mga nasa 3 to 4 hours bago natin makuha yung malambot na texture. And then we're just gonna add here yung ating lemongrass. We have here our garlic. And para lang din matanggal yung medyo gamey, funky aroma ng ating innards, let's add